Delighted to be here with all of you to open this virgin coconut oil factory here in Daku. We've made considerable progress helping farmers make the move from sustenance to commercial farming. There is still a lot of work to be done. I know that because I spend every minute I can at the grassroots level listening to ordinary Fijians and understanding their experiences, so I have a very clear idea of where we are today and where we need to be. Many farmers, I've found out over the many years, don't have the necessary scale of production to take their operations to the next level. And communities don't have the resources to pull together to bring in the services and infrastructure that are required to support serious agro-business. Business with a scale to compete in the regional and international market. So the potential in our agriculture sector is still massively untapped. But projects such as the new factory are giving our farmers the chance to ramp up their production and get far more out of what they produce. Because the reality is that our products and goods are highly demanded at home and around the world, and we owe it to every farmer in Fiji to help them take full advantage of the opportunity to put their goods in markets here at home, throughout the Pacific and in countries many miles from our own shores. I've said in the Itoke language that coconut on its own can be sold raw or made into copra. But that only scratches the surface of what the coconut can become. We can add value to coconuts harvested right here in Fiji in a whole range of different ways, including pressing them into coconut oil. And when we bring enough farmers together, we can achieve the necessary production levels to do that as cheaply as possible before exporting the final product all around the world. Just last week, I attended the World Expo in Astana, in Kazakhstan, and spoke to a global audience on our ambitious plan to take products made here in Fiji to all corners of the world. And let me assure you, Fiji is a very hot commodity. Fiji is a brand that consumers all over recognize as a marker of quality, of purity and authenticity. And our farmers in and around Daku now have the chance to move beyond simple copra production into the virgin coconut oil market and ride the wave of success that brand Fiji is achieving in our region and all around the world. The nearly $50,000 investment made by my government to this new factory is part of our vision to open up Fiji's farming communities to bigger markets. And it is an investment we expect will reap tremendous returns down the track as your communities can now step up production and expand your farming operations. I encourage you to be ambitious, seize on this new opportunity to become bigger players in our national economy. Because Fiji is doing very well and we are poised to do even better. And more of our people we involve in the progress we are making as a nation, the better off Fijian will be. So I look forward to seeing your communities put this factory to work. And I also look forward to spending time with the community while I'm here today.
That will take take us forward in terms of developing the coconut that's been sitting here all this time, so they're about 60 to 70 years old. I want to use them for furniture in here, plus the byproducts from the coconut factory, which is this one here.
So carpentry?
The carpentry sports science tool for Fiji. First one ever. This one here, once I have the road. If I have the road coming in here, that will develop, I want this to be the port, the mini port of Fiji, from the south or eastern side of Fiji. Once I get all this, right now, that's the shed, which is the one that's over there. As you come to the land, it is on the right hand side. Right now it's servicing the people that's coming from Ngau, and we've had to rescue a few boats this year because they ran out of fuel, so we had to provide the rescue service.